For this experiment, we require commercial sample of Coca Cola, sodium hydroxide to prepare 0.1 normal of NaOH solution, succinic acid as a primary standard for the standardization of given NaOH solution, phenolphthalein powder to prepare 1% phenolphthalein indicator, and potassium hydrogen phthalate to prepare buffer solution of pH 4. There are two parts of this experiment. In the first part, we will perform standardization of NaOH solution, and in the second part, we will do the estimation of Coca Cola sample. Let's do the standardization of given NaOH solution by using succinic acid solution. Take given NaOH solution in the beaker. First, rinse the burette with given NaOH solution. Now fill the burette with NaOH solution up to the mark. Remove the air bubble from the tip and adjust the zero level. Now to prepare 0.1 normal succinic acid, weigh 0.59 gram of succinic acid. Transfer the succinic acid in the beaker and dissolve it in minimum quantity of distilled water and dilute in 100 ml of standard measuring flask up to the mark. Shake the flask vigorously to make homogeneous solution. Transfer the prepared succinic acid solution in 100 ml beaker. Now shake the flask and titrate it with burette solution, that is given NaOH solution. Titrate the solution till the end point is colorless to faint pink. The burette reading, that is the end point, is 10 ml. Note down the burette reading and take two more readings to get constant burette reading. Here the CBR is 10 cm3. Let's do the calculation for normality of NaOH. After doing calculation, the normality of NaOH is observed to be 0.1 normal. Now let's do the second part, that is estimation of phosphoric acid from cola sample. For that, standardize the given pH meter. First, measure the room temperature. Today it is 27 degrees Celsius. Adjust the temperature knob at room temperature, that is 27 degrees Celsius. Now immerse the glass electrode in buffer solution of pH 4 and adjust the reading on the display of pH meter 4. Adjust the pH 4 unit by using two knobs, that is asymmetric and slope knob. Once the standardization is done, do not touch the temperature knob, asymmetric knob and slope knob. In the estimation part, heat the Coca Cola sample to escape out dissolved carbon dioxide first. Pipette out 25 ml of Coca Cola sample in 100 ml beaker. To the same beaker, add 25 ml of distilled water. Insert the combined glass electrode into the cola sample solution and measure the reading, that is pH reading, on the pH meter. Now do the titration of cola sample with NaOH filled in the burette in 0.5 ml of installment at a time. Do the addition of NaOH in 0.5 ml installment and stir the solution. The pH reading will increase. Note down it. Continue the addition of NaOH in the 0.5 ml installment till we get 2 equivalence points. Note down all the readings in the observation table. Let's do the calculation. Let's first calculate delta pH, that is change in pH values. The pH readings are increased, therefore the change in pH for second reading is 3.13 minus 2.86, that is 0.27. The change in pH units for third reading is 3.65 minus 3.13, which is equal to 0.52. In this way, calculate delta pH for all the pH readings. Now let's calculate delta V, that is change in volume. As we have done the addition of NaOH in the installment of 0.5 ml, the change in volume for all the reading is 0.5 ml. Now let's calculate delta pH upon delta V ratio, that is 0.27 upon 0.5 is equal to 0.54, 0.52 upon 0.5 equal to 1.04. Okay, now let's calculate the mean volume, that is 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2 equal to 0.25. 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0.75. In this way, do all the calculations. Let's plot the graph of delta pH upon delta V versus V mean. Plot the x and y axis on the second line of the graph. Take the proper scale. Here we have taken on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 0.5 centimeter cube, whereas on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 0.25 per centimeter cube. Plot the respective points and draw a smooth curve. By connecting all the points smoothly, we are getting a 2 peaks. From the apex of each peak, draw a tangent in the direction of x-axis. We will get 2 equivalence points. Consider them as V1 and V2. Here, V1 is 1.25 centimeter cube, while V2 is 3.25 centimeter cube. Find their mean, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 upon 2, which is equal to 1.25 plus 3.25 upon 2. The equivalence point is 2.25 centimeter cube. Now let's find out amount of phosphoric acid in the given cola sample. Stoichiometrically, 1 centimeter cube of 1 normal NaOH is equal to 32.67 milligram of phosphoric acid, and therefore from the graph 2.25 centimeter cube of 0.1 normal NaOH is equal to 32.67 into 0.1 into 2.25 milligram of phosphoric acid, that is 7.35 milligram of phosphoric acid. Hence, amount of phosphoric acid present in 25 centimeter cube of cola sample is 7.35 milligram. Let's calculate the percentage error, which is equal to observed value minus true value upon true value into 100. The true value for the given commercial sample of cola sample is 7.5 milligram. The percentage error here is observed to be 2%. The final results are amount of phosphoric acid present in 25 centimeter cube of cola sample is 7.35 milligram and the percentage error is equal to 2%.